I'm here at the Polish Village, as it's called, in Penrhos near Pwllheli. It's a community that's served the Penllyn area extremely well over the last 70 years, giving sheltered accommodation to a number of elderly and vulnerable people, and also a nursing home with some 30 or so beds for people of Polish backgrounds and also the people of Penllyn. In fact, it's the only nursing home in Penllyn. If people couldn't come here, then unfortunately they would have to travel further afield. Some would have to go certainly to Criccieth, and maybe even further if other nursing homes were full, which clearly isn't fair on the elderly residents and their family and loved ones. That's why we need to retain the nursing beds here, because sadly the ownership, the company who own the Polish homes here, the Polish Village, found themselves in difficulty. The good news is that they've managed to transfer the site over to Clwyd Alun, and Clwyd Alun will take charge of the sheltered housing and most of the accommodation here, which is great news for the area. But unfortunately they can't take care of or continue with the nursing homes because it's a specialist service, and the only organisation that can step in and ensure that nursing beds continue here in Penrhos and therefore for Llyn is the Health Board. That's why we're calling on the Health Board to do all it can to pull out all the stops in order to ensure that nursing beds are retained here in Penrhos for the Llyn Peninsula and for people who live in our communities here. You can help. Please write to the Health Board urging them to support the call to retain nursing beds here in Penrhos. You can write to the Older People's Commissioner asking her to support the call as well. Please do so. It's vitally important, and we'd appreciate every help we can get on this campaign. Thank you.